Hello everyone, welcome to Clara's Feng Shui Cafe. Do you know how Feng Shui masters read fortune on their hand? You can as well, because the secret is on your hand. Let's go and find out. Our palm can be used to read about the flying stars, the zodiac signs, as well as the Bagua map. In this video, I'll share with you how to read the 12 Zodiac Animal Signs and their relationships on your palm to help you finding your most compatible friends, soulmate, or business partners. Have you ever felt this way? You meet someone for the first time, you like this person, and you just want to be each other's friend. There are also times when you meet someone for the first time and you know you are very different people. Sometimes we call this wavelengths, or chemistry, or energy. Actually, it's the 5 elements in our body that make us feel the way we feel about each other. The 5 elements can be represented by the 12 animal signs. You can check out your animal sign based on this chart. It's important to note that a new year starts on Li Chun, the beginning of spring, which is the cutoff for the annual animal zodiac sign, usually on the 3rd or 4th of February. The wood element is represented by the tiger and the rabbit. The fire element is associated with the snake and the horse. The earth element is represented by the ox, the dog, the goat, and the dragon. Metal is represented by the monkey and the rooster. The water element is associated with the rat and the pig. Now let's have a look at the 6 pairs of conflicting signs. In the 12 Chinese zodiac, the conflicting signs are more likely to offend each other. The 6 pairs of conflicting signs are rat and horse, ox and goat, tiger and monkey, rabbit and rooster, dragon and dog, snake and pig. Now I will show you the positions of the 12 animal signs on your hand. Please take out your left hand with palm up. Our palm is like a Bagua map. As you can see, we all have finger creases. So to make it simple, I'll call this bottom crease, middle crease, and the top crease. Let's start with the rat. The rat is at the bottom crease of your ring finger. Moving clockwise, the ox is at the bottom crease of your middle finger. The tiger is at the bottom crease of your index finger. The rabbit is at the middle crease, and the dragon is at the top crease of your index finger. The snake is therefore on the fingertip. Keep moving across the fingertips is the horse, the goat, and the monkey. The rooster is at the top crease of your pinky, the dog in the middle, and the pig at the bottom. Once we know the positions of the 12 animal signs, we can easily tell the 6 pairs of conflicting signs. An easy way to remember is to first identify the first pair, that's the rat and the horse. By moving the arrow clockwise, we'll be able to determine the rest. Now let's have a look at the 6 pairs of harms. Although they are not as bad as the conflicting signs, they are still negative. The 6 pairs of harms are dragon and rabbit, snake and tiger, horse and ox, goat and rat, monkey and pig, dog and rooster. Now let me show you an easy way to remember the 6 pairs of harms on your palm. Moving from left to the right, each pair of harms are on a vertical line parallel to your fingers. Now let's talk about the 6 pairs of harmonies. In another word, best friend forever. The 6 pairs are horse and goat, snake and monkey, dragon and rooster, rabbit and dog, tiger and pig, ox and rat. So how does it look like on our hand? An easy way to remember the 6 pairs of harmonies is that each pair is opposite each other on a horizontal line. Now let's talk about the 4 groups of 3 harmonies. In other words, the best teams. Team number 1, tiger, horse, and dog. Team number 2, rat, dragon, and monkey. Team number 3, snake, rooster, and ox. And team number 4, pig, rabbit, and goat. On your palm, the 3 harmonies are equally divided into an equilateral triangle with 3 animals on each side. The relationships of the 12 zodiac animal signs can be used as a reference when choosing your friends, partner, or business partners. Now it's your turn to practice reading the 12 animal signs on your hand. I hope you find my video helpful. If you like my video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel.